You know what's crazy? While you're watching this video, someone just turned $100 into their investing future. And I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or crypto gamble. I'm talking about real, legitimate investing that anyone can start today. If you think you need thousands of dollars to start investing, you're about to be proven completely wrong. What's up, everyone? If you've been sitting on the sidelines thinking, I don't have enough money to invest, this video is specifically for you. The biggest lie in personal finance is that investing is only for rich people. The truth? Starting with just $100 in is not only possible, it's actually easier than it's ever been. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to take that $100 and put it to work. We'll cover the best platforms, the smartest strategies, and most importantly, how to avoid the rookie mistakes that could cost you money. Whether you're a complete beginner, or you've been thinking about investing for years but never pulled the trigger, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan. And hey, if you're serious about building wealth and learning more about money, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Alright, let's start with some real talk. Will $100 make you a millionaire overnight? Absolutely not. Anyone promising you that is either lying or trying to sell you something. But here's what that $100 can do. It can get you in the game. Think of it this way. Every single successful investor started somewhere. Warren Buffett bought his first stock at age 11 with $114.75 in today's money. The point isn't the amount. It's starting the habit of investing and learning how the markets work. We're living in the golden age of accessible investing. Fractional shares mean you can own a piece of expensive stocks like Apple or Google with just a few dollars. Zero commission trading means you're not losing money on fees every time you make a transaction. And robo-advisors can create diversified portfolios automatically, even with small amounts. But here's the key. Time is your secret weapon. If you invest $100 today and add just $50 a month with an average 10% annual return, in 30 years, you're looking at over $113,000. That's the power of compound interest and consistency. So where should you actually put this money? Let me break down your best options. Option 1. Index fund ETFs. This is my personal favorite for beginners. An index fund is basically a basket of stocks that tracks the overall market. Instead of trying to pick individual winning stocks, which is basically gambling if you don't know what you're doing, you're investing in the entire market's growth. With platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Webull, or Robinhood, you can buy fractional shares of popular ETFs like VOO or VTI. These track the S&P 500, or the total US stock market. You're instantly diversified across hundreds of companies. It's like buying a tiny piece of every major company in America with one purchase. Option 2. Target date funds. If you want to be even more hands-off, target date funds automatically adjust your investment mix based on when you plan to retire. You pick a year, like 2055, and the fund gradually shifts from aggressive to conservative as that date approaches. Many brokerages offer these with no minimum investment. Option 3. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, or M1. Finance will build and manage a portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. Most have no minimum investment or very low minimums. You answer a few questions, deposit your money, and they handle the rest. Yes, there's a small fee, usually around 0.25% annually, but for true beginners, the automation and professional management can be worth it. Option 4. Individual stocks. Proceed with caution. Look, I get it. Buying individual stocks feels exciting. But here's my advice. If you're going this route with your first $100, treat it as education money. Pick one or two companies you genuinely understand and believe in long term. Maybe it's a company whose products you use every day. But don't expect to get rich quick. And definitely don't put all your money in one risky stock because some influencer mentioned it. Okay, so you've got your $100 and you're ready to start. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Choose your platform. Pick a brokerage that offers zero commission trading and fractional shares. I'd recommend Fidelity or Charles Schwab for beginners because they have great educational resources, or M1 Finance if you want a more automated approach. Download the app and create an account. It takes about 10 minutes. Step 2. Complete your profile. You'll need to provide some basic information, your social security number for tax purposes, and link your bank account. This is all standard and secure. Step 3. Deposit your money. Transfer your $100. Most platforms will have it available to invest within 1 to 3 business days. Step 4. Make your first investment. If you're going the ETF route, search for something like VTI or VOO and buy your fractional shares. If you're using a robo-advisor, follow their questionnaire and let them invest for you. Step 5. Set up automatic investments. This is the secret sauce. Even if it's just $10 or $25 a month, set up automatic recurring investments. Consistency beats timing the market every single time. Before we wrap up, let me save you from some painful mistakes. Mistake number 1. Waiting for the perfect time. There's no perfect time. The market goes up and down. Start now and invest regularly, which naturally averages out your cost over time. Mistake number 2. Emotional trading. Don't panic sell when the market drops 5%. Don't buy high because of FOMO. Stick to your plan. Mistake number 3. Ignoring fees. A 1% fee might not sound like much, but over decades it can cost you tens of thousands. Choose low-fee options. Mistake number 4. Not learning. Use this as an opportunity to educate yourself. Read books, watch videos like this one, understand what you're investing in. Mistake number 5. Giving up after losses. The market will go down sometimes. That's normal. Long-term investing means riding out the storms. Listen, starting with $100 won't change your life tomorrow, but starting with $100 and staying consistent for years, that absolutely can change your financial future. The hardest part about investing isn't picking the right stock or timing the market. It's just starting. And now you have zero excuses. You know where to go, you know what to do, and you know it's possible with just $100. So here's my challenge to you. In the next 48 hours, open that brokerage account. Even if you don't invest immediately, just get it set up. Remove that barrier. Future you will thank, present you for taking action today. If this video helped you, do me a favor and smash that subscribe and like button. I'm putting out content every week to help you build wealth, understand money, and invest smarter. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're taking the challenge. Are you going to start with $100? What's holding you back? And hey, check out the video I'll link in the description about the ultimate guide to ETFs for beginners. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is right now. I'll see you in the next one.